Hello friends, most welcome to English Advantage online classes. Friends, in this video I will be explaining to you the most important sentence arrangement or parajumble, and this parajumble I have taken from the recently conducted exam of IBPS Bank PO, and this exam was conducted on 16th of October on Sunday. So in this video I will be giving you the complete solution and explanation of that parajumble, and this parajumble will definitely help you in the next exam that are going to be conducted on 22nd, 23rd and 27th for IBPS Bank PO Pre. Okay, so before we proceed further, let me share with you some tricks to solve any kind of parajumble. These are the basic guidelines to solve any kind of parajumble. The first one is first noun will come and then a pronoun to replace it. This is the most basic rule that you have to remember while trying to solve any kind of parajumble. First noun will come, any kind of noun will come first, like Ram, like Shyam, like Delhi. Any kind of noun will come, then only will pronoun come in order to replace it. Okay, so always remember this thing. First full form will come and then only a short form. First first Supreme Court will come, and then SC will come to replace it. The third guideline is the most important one. This is the figure out the opening sentence, and the opening sentence is normally the title sentence of any paragraph. Okay, and it is normally written in present simple tense. Any paragraph cannot start with these words: because, yet, although, for example, for instance. So these are the different clues. Through these words any parajumble cannot start normally. Mandatory pairs are the closely related pairs, or you can say logically related pairs. So this is also a very important thing. Now the fifth one is apply common sense approach and try to correlate the sentences logically. Okay, so these are the basic guidelines you must keep in mind while trying to solve any kind of parajumble. So this video tutorial I am recording in English language, and if you want to watch the Hindi version of this video, you can definitely watch the Hindi version of this video in the Hindi playlist available on this channel in the parajumble section. Parajumble Hindi playlist you have to visit. Okay, so let us get started with this original parajumble example. It appeared in the exam that was conducted on 16th October. So six sentences are given here, as you can see here: A, B, C, D, E and F. Okay, normally there are 6 sentences, but sometimes there are 7 or even 8 sentences are also there, so you should be prepared for it. But in IBPS Bank PO exam, normally there are 6 sentences. So this is the first sentence: it is the only country, Bhutan, and poster child for green living. So through these words you can have a rough idea that this passage is talking about the green environment, or you can say the greenhouse effects, okay, and environmental issues. So the first exercise and the first most important thing is to figure out what could be the opening sentence or title sentence. Okay, so out of all the sentence, I can clearly see here that you can see here Bhutan is a poster child for green living. So as I had told you earlier, that title sentence or opening sentence of any paragraph is normally written in a present simple tense. So this could ideally be the first sentence of this paragraph. Now here also Bhutan is written, but this sentence seems like a extension of the previous sentence, because here the word, as you can see, Bhutan, sandwiched between the two most populous nations on earth, suffers for their sins. So this cannot be the first sentence. It looks like the extension of the previous sentence. Okay, and this cannot be the first sentence because here you are using the pronoun. So first noun will come and then pronoun will come. Okay, and so far so good, but then normally a sentence cannot start with this word but. Okay, because this is in contrast with the previous sentence. So that is why we have used here but. So the paragraph cannot start from here. Okay. again you can see here the sentence number E Sentence number E, you can see glaciers are beginning to melt. Okay, so from here the sentence cannot start because there should be a reference sentence before this glaciers. And one, the sentence cannot start from here, one, because here we are giving the example. So this will be your first sentence. Okay. Carbon sinks, 70% forest cover, powered almost entirely by mountain streams. Bhutan is a poster child for green living. So this will be your first sentence. Okay, let me write here. This will be your first sentence. Now after this, since we have already used the noun, we can use the pronoun for it. So here we are using this pronoun it. So this will make the mandatory pair, and it could be your second sentence. Okay, just see how logically I am relating the sentences. Now after this, you can say so far so good, but then two things happen. Now before this sentence, we have already spoken about two good things. Okay, we have already told that carbon sinks, the content of carbon is declining, 70% forest cover, powered almost entirely by mountain streams. So these are the good things in Bhutan in term of with reference to environmental issues. Okay, so these are the good things, and this sentence also say positively about the Bhutan, that it is the only country in the world that that is carbon negative, which means it produces more oxygen than it consumes. So that is why this will be the second sentence. And after this, you can say, just to contrast these sentences, so far so good, but then two things happened. So this will become your third sentence. C will become your third sentence. Okay, now after this, but then two things happen. Okay, then you will say about the first thing, that is bun. Okay, it is indicated by bun. So then F will come, and after this F, you can say this sentence: Bhutan's sandwich between the two most populous nations on earth suffers for their sins. So this will become your next sentence. Okay, B. And after this you can put this sentence E. So DACFBE, this will be your answer of this paragraph. After this, the E will be your last sentence. Glaciers are beginning to melt, flash floods and heavy rains. So these are the kind of sins that are being done by India and China. Okay, these are the negative things. Glaciers are beginning to melt, fast floods and heavy rains, and even droughts are common, and temperatures are climbing. So this will be the last sentence. Now on the basis of this formula DACFVE, you can solve these questions. Which of the following should be the first sentence of the given paragraph? Now the first sentence is D, so your answer will be B. Which of the following should be the third sentence of the given paragraph? Third one will be C, so your answer will be C. Which of the following should be the last sentence? The last sentence is E, so here your answer will be E. Which of the following should be the fourth sentence? The fourth sentence is F, so your answer will be A. Which of the following should be the second sentence? The second sentence is A. Second sentence is A, so your answer will be C. So that is how we can solve any kind of parajumble, and this is the solution and complete explanation of the parajumble that was that appeared in the last exam that was conducted on 16th of October in IBPS Bank PO exam. Okay, so if you have liked this and if you have found this useful, please let me know and do send me your comments regarding this explanation. These are my links. Through these links you can join me on Facebook. You must join me on Facebook because I upload all the notifications. I put all the notifications on my Facebook page. This is English Advantage group on Facebook. You must join this, very important, and very many students are joining this English Advantage group nowadays. Very popular nowadays among students. You can like English Advantage education page. You can share my videos, YouTube videos. You can follow me on Twitter. You can connect with me on LinkedIn. This is my WhatsApp number. You must save this number before you send me the request for adding in the group. 98937 19933. This is also my contact number. You can also contact me if you have any problem and if you want to clear your doubts, and this is my email ID. Okay. So if you are going to sit in the next exam like 23rd, 22nd or 27, this Parajumble will be highly helpful for you. And after your exams are over on 27th, 23rd and 22nd, please if you can send me all the questions, please do send me all the questions through the email. It will be definitely helpful for me, and I will prepare all the solutions for all the questions that have come in the IBPS PO exam. So please try to send me through mail all the questions that you found quite tricky. So if you have found this video useful, please like it, share it with your friends, and do send me your comments regarding the explanation and regarding the solution of this video, and how did you find it very useful for your exam. Please do send me your comment, and if you are the first timer on this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. This channel is going to be highly useful for you in terms of getting success in any exam or any competitive exam. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I wish you all the best for your bright future. Thank you.